Let me show you how I edited this client testimonial video in Camtasia. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetinomedia, and on this channel we show you how to create profitable content. Alright, so about a month ago, one of my clients asked me to create a testimonial video for one of their high-end coaching products. And their coaching product is called Ignited. It's a $10,000 program for real estate investing in Canada, and they were having an in-person event and they wanted me to create a nice testimonial video of a bunch of their success stories to share with new people that are interested in learning more about the Ignited program. So I'm going to play the video right now. It's super short, 2 minutes long, so you can get a feel for the video, and then I'm going to break down how I edited it.
Hey guys, we are Ryan and Ashley.
My name's Marie, and that's Lucy.
I'm Donna Cook. I'm from Winnipeg, Manitoba.
This is Carlene Sue here from Calgary, Alberta.
All right, go.
You want me to start? Okay.
Yeah.
Hi everyone, how you doing? It's Ray and Joe of BV & Co.
Once I joined Ignited and understood to build a team and other strategies, I was successful in, together with a joint venture partner, getting a rent-to-own property, now a second property through AFS, and working on my third and hopefully fourth.
I just wanted to give you an idea what's on the inside of Fearless Ignited. So if you thought the free content was great, wait till you see what's in store for you.
It was in listening to Corey and Tiffany's story and the kind of people they are about giving that I've been able to do a mindset shift from doing it as a business, but also understanding that when you do things with other people, then we all win.
You know, since we joined Ignited, we've gone from nothing, just being someone that just dreamt about it, to being people that actually took action. I'd say most of it is in part because of the Ignited program.
It's been a game changer for us because the support of the group, the tools that you get, like the tools you get from the Ignited site are amazing. Like we've used them all and we've edited them and made them our own. And honestly, when you were trying to grow and when you were at the stage that we were at, which was
Stuck.
Still stuck.
At 2 and stuck.
Yeah. Once we joined Ignited and we learned what was available and the support that was there, we were like, we should have done this the first time, because it was just, honestly, there's nothing like it. And if you're feeling stuck at all, this will, I guarantee you, will 100% help you.
Alright, so that was a testimonial video. My client really loved it. It's going to be used in many different areas on their website, sending to people in private chats in hopes of getting people to sign up for their high-end Ignited program. So that's the purpose of this video, is it's a testimonial video showing results so that people sign up for this high-end coaching program. Now, right on the timeline you see here the breakdown of the testimonial video, and I will say that right off the bat, this video did take me about 5 to 6 hours to edit. So first thing is, when creating a testimonial video, depending on how many testimonials there are, like video testimonials from students, clients, things like that, you need to watch each one of them and go through them. So the ones that I chose here, I chose about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they actually had way more. So I watched all of the testimonial videos, one, to get a feel for the video composition, because some of the videos, some people don't know how to film a video, some people don't know how to talk smoothly in a video, so you just want to go through all of the footage of each client testimonial and weed out the ones that you're not interested in for the video. Now, initially there were about 10 testimonial videos, and then I weeded it down to the ones that you see here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. and this one was actually a duplicate, and I couldn't decide which one I wanted to use. So there was over 10. I weeded it down to about 7 to 8, and then from here I ended up using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's the first thing. Go through the videos and actually choose the ones, because you don't want to be placing them on the timeline and you're like, oh, this video is not good. You know, you want to already have the ones that you feel are going to work best in the video. Now, I already knew that because this is a testimonial video, I wanted to do sort of 3 sections in the video. You might not see it initially, but if you watch the video, there are 3 sections in that testimonial video. So this beginning part right here, I literally just have everybody going, hi, my name is, and I'm from. That's all they're doing, is they're just introducing. We're just getting names of these real people, real students that have taken this course. Next section here is, I joined about so-and-so years. This is why I joined. You know, I wasn't getting any traction, things like that. And then on the last part here is the breakthrough. So what did this Ignited program do? This person had a breakthrough. They made some money. They did some real estate deals. It was a game changer. And you can see that it's the majority of the part here. So it ends up being like this last portion here. And so that's like the main meat of the video. And then in the beginning, I just have a very basic logo, right? And then a text that says testimonials. I didn't want to go too crazy, too fancy. Just keep it super simple, just about the people, their stories, who they are, authenticity, things like that. You'll see in regards to framing the video, I did this. So I didn't have the videos go full screen. I wanted to kind of frame it in the company that I'm working with. They're called Investor Life. Their colors are green, and this is their logo. So I wanted to frame the testimonials and kind of brand it to their colors, because if I just had it full screen, then you wouldn't necessarily know that it's the Ignited program, it's from Investor Life, that whole thing. And also another reason why I specifically do this kind of technique is because people have all different kinds of video quality. Some are really good, some are not that great. Like you see this one right here, this is not that great. If I had this going full screen, it would be even worse. So because I made it smaller, about this size, and I added the corner rounding feature with the shadow. So I'm going to show that right now. So I've got the drop shadow added and I've got corner rounding. It makes it so much nicer than just the full screen here, which I'll show you on this side. So you can see if I stretch this out, just like this here. So this versus this, in my opinion, this looks better. It's branded and it has more of a professional feel to it. So I did that as like a framing, and this is just a green background, taken from their colors, right? I have their colors from their logo. I also have 2 types of logos. So I have the white version and the black version. Usually when you get logos done, you have one that can go on black and one that can go on white. So you can see that I used the white one over here, and then the black one was used up here for the light color. Now I will say that the longest part was actually going through and clipping out the most important parts, because this is a testimonial video, so you want it to be very straight to the point, succinct, and a very clear message to join the program. This part was easy. Hello, my name is, and I'm from. That's easy. But then I really had to watch each testimonial video over and over to get those parts that elicit emotion. And I would encourage you to watch that part again earlier in the video and see, like, I'm being very strategic with each part I'm choosing. Notice people aren't saying the exact same thing. So if someone said, I had a breakthrough, another person is saying something different because that one person already said the breakthrough. So that covered that. And so we want to cover something else. And then here at the end, just a very simple call to action: join Ignited today. And so this is just a logo, and these are just 2 text pieces. And because this is a testimonial video, what do I want them to do? I want them to get into motion, get excited to join the Ignited program. So right at the end there, it's just join Ignited today. Very simple call to action. And when I was editing this, so it took me a while to go through all this stuff. The majority of the time editing was actually just watching and clipping and making sure that I got the best parts. It's always hard to make the decisions of what to keep and what not to keep, but the more you edit, the more you actually get rid of more than you actually keep. So after I went through all that, I literally just had this because I knew this was going to take the longest time. And I added the intro here and the outro at the end. And then so I had this whole base here. Then I went to artlist.io, which is where I get my copyright-free music from. It is a paid subscription, but if you are an entrepreneur, you do work online and you do like video work all the time, it is worth it to get a subscription with them. They do also have all different kinds of music for all different genres, sound effects, and some other things as well. I've been using them for probably 4 years now, and I always get really high quality music. Also, it didn't take me very long to find this song. I know some people spend hours upon hours trying to find the correct music, especially if you're going down the free route. But this actually took me maybe less than 15 minutes to find this track because Artlist does have such a great selection. So if we go through again, this is the breakdown of the timeline. I always put my music down at the bottom, which I did get at the very end. I've got the intro here where I've got the logo and the text. Then I've got the background, which is just a green background from their colors. Then on the outro, same kind of thing. 2 texts here on the top and bottom of the logo. And then I've got all of the different clips from the different students talking about their experience with the program. I've got another shape here to go behind the logo to frame it. Logo up here at the top. I framed each testimonial video with corner rounding and the shadow. So that's pretty much it. Like I said, this was about 5 to 6 hours. Might take you longer, might take you shorter, depending on how many pieces of footage you need to go through. If you found this video helpful, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.